In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a 1-inch margin in Canva. Margins are those invisible safety zones that keep your text, logos, and important visuals away from the edges, which is especially important for printing and for clean, balanced layouts on screen. The best way to set a precise 1-inch margin in Canva is by using guides. And I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the project you're working on in Canva. With your design on the screen, go to the top left corner and click File. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside Settings, look for the option that says Add Guides and click it. Guides are non-printing lines that sit on your canvas to help you align content and keep spacing consistent. They won't show up in your exported files. Next, select Custom. This lets you define exactly how the guides should be placed. You'll see fields for columns, rows, and gaps. Set columns to 1 and rows to 1. This places one guide set vertically and one horizontally, framing the page from all sides. For gaps, enter 0. That tells Canva not to insert any extra spacing between guides, so everything aligns to the exact edge references we're creating. Now, enter the margin value based on the unit your design is using. If your design is set to inches, simply type 1. If your design is set to centimeters, type 2.54. And if your design is set to pixels, enter 96. These values all equal 1 inch, so you'll get the same result regardless of the unit your project is using. Taking a moment to match the unit ensures your margin will be precisely 1 inch all the way around. Once those values are in place, click Add Guides. You'll see a new set of guidelines appear inside your canvas, evenly inset from the edges. That inset line marks your 1-inch margin. Anything you place inside those lines will be safely within your margin area. Remember, guides are just visual helpers. Your audience won't see them in the final export. A quick tip: as you design, keep text boxes, logos, and key elements inside the margin to avoid crowding the edges or risking cutoffs during printing. If you ever need a different margin later, repeat these same steps and adjust the number to match your target size. And if your interface looks slightly different, the flow is the same. Go to File, open Settings, choose Add Guides, select Custom, set 1 column and 1 row, 0 gaps, enter the correct unit value, and add the guides. That's it. You've added a perfect 1-inch margin in Canva. Happy designing!